For IT outsourcing, trust Dependable Computer Guys Incorporated.
Hi everyone, my name is Brent Whitfield from Dependable Computer Guys in Los Angeles, California. We do IT outsourcing and IT support for small to medium-sized businesses in the greater Los Angeles area. I'm going to show you today how to use the Windows 7 taskbar thumbnail customizer to improve the look of the icons in Windows 7. One of the problems with Windows 7 that, as I see it, is that when you open multiple windows in the same program, the default icon size is so small that you really can't tell what the different programs you have running are. I think Microsoft got a lot of things right with Windows 7, but one of the things I think could be improved on is this icon size issue. It's something that comes up from time to time with our clients, so I'm going to show you today how to fix it. Type in www.dcgla.com and there's a link right on the main menu bar for blog. That takes you to the Dependable Computer Guys blog, and the easiest way to find what you're looking for as far as this thumbnail customizer goes is to type in the search area thumbnail. That'll bring up the thumbnail related articles, and the first one is the one that you're going to want. The way to get to the download page is to click on this link, and that takes you to the PC World website, which is a safe way to get the utility. When you hit download now, it should start downloading, and it's a very small application. It downloads really quick. One interesting thing about the author of this utility is that he's a 12-year-old, and it's not his first application he's developed either for the public domain, which is pretty interesting. Kind of makes me feel old. Anyway, the way you just launch it like this, because it's not a fully installable program, you just run it, hit run, and it's a very simple interface. There's areas on the interface to help you reset the icon size, which is what I'm after. I'm going to just crank these all the way up to 400. And you can actually make them bigger, but I found 400 works pretty good for me. You can modify the X and Y spacing. That's like the right and left and top and bottom spacing, the margins, along with the delay time that the icons react. You can play with those on your own. That's beyond the scope of this tutorial. And then apply the changes. Windows Explorer you heard that it kind of stopped and unloaded and then reloaded, and that pretty much gets it done. I'm going to hover now over the Google, over my Google Chrome browser, and you can see how much larger the icons are now. You can actually read what's on the web pages that are displayed there. So just to summarize, in order to download the Windows 7 taskbar thumbnail customizer, simply visit blog.dcgla.com. Once you're on the site, it's easiest to find the article you're after by typing the word thumbnail in the search bar, and that'll bring up the relevant thumbnail-related articles. And the one that you want will be the first one. I always like to caution folks to visit sites that you trust when it comes to downloading files. So many sites these days will and can infect your computer with malware and viruses, and that's no fun. Keep in mind that there's nothing to really install. Just download the program and run it, and you can set your options once it's popped up and running. If you want to run it again, it'll be in your downloads folder. The utility also offers other taskbar adjustments that you can try out on your own, including spacing, margins, and the delay time with which the windows will pop up. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you need IT support in Los Angeles, call 213-261-3998.
For IT outsourcing in Los Angeles, call 213-261-3998.